Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Christine. This is Mr. Bangles, and that means you are watching Hobby's Corner. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel today. Today I'm going to do a quick little tutorial, and I'm going to show you how you can recycle single earrings or old pendants that no longer have a functioning chain. I actually came across a really neat product at the Dollarama, and what it is pre-packaged necklace cords that already have lobster clasp and chain extenders. And the coolest thing about this is you get a package of 5 for $1.50, and they come in multiple colors. I don't have the one that had the more natural tone, but there was also a very woody natural tone set that was available. I purchased, I think, all of them because I have so many pendants. And so what I'm going to show you today is how you can salvage, like I said, single earrings and pendants that, no longer have a working necklace allowing you to wear them. So what we have here is we have 3 either single earrings or pendants, and I've made sure that I have jump rings where I need them. It's important that you use a jump ring because the circle on the top of the pendant here, if you just threaded the cord through it, it would make the pendant twist and it wouldn't sit flat. Where if you use a jump ring, you get the free-flowing and the levelness, so your pendant actually sits flat to your chest. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to utilize these rather inexpensive but really nicely made cordings and turn these into new accessories. Very, very simple. So for this one, this is a really beautiful butterfly. This was actually on a necklace that had multiple pendants like this in different sizes. I use those for something else. So I'm going to actually put this on the black corded necklace. I'm going to take my jump ring and I'm just going to open it. Remember, always bending away from each other. I'm going to thread it onto the pendant, and at the same time I'm going to take the cord and thread it on like that. I don't know if you can see that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close it, bringing those 2 points back together. And there is our first salvaged pendant on a new cord. So really rather simple. I sell these for probably $2 to $3 depending on the pendant, and they go quite well at my sales, especially when I'm using pendants that are for little kids. These tend to sell quite well for them. The next one we're going to use is this brown cord, and we're going to do the same thing with this pendant, which is this beautiful flower. Let's do the same thing. We have our jump ring. I'm using our larger jump ring. I probably could have used a jump ring that was the same color as the metal, and I'll go back and fix that. As a matter of fact, I know I have one. Give me 1 second and I will get the right color. So I was able to find a jump ring that actually matches the metal, and that's really important too. If you don't want to use a different colored jump ring, they will stand out as you wear them. So let's pry that apart. We're just going to thread it through the hoop like that. And then let's thread that cording. We're going to bend it in half. We're going to thread that on there as well. Be very careful not to puncture the cording. It will fray after a period of time and wear. And let's bend those 2 pieces back together. And now what we've done is we've just made this old earring functional on a really nice brown cord. Let's do our last one. Sometimes you'll get lucky and it will already have a bail on it. You can see this one has one right there. So we just need to open that a little bit. And the way you open these is you just pull the one piece away from the other very gently. In this case, it's a push in. Just need to push it in a little bit. You can see there. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, there we go. And what I'm going to do is take my blue cord, make the loop pretty tight, and we are going to try to see if it will fit on this. We're going to slide it down. Give it a pull. It's a little bit thicker. And then pull it up to the top of the bale like that. And then we're just going to give it a tiny little bit of a pinch, not too much, on both sides to secure it. And we've now added this really pretty pendant to this cord. So really in what, 2 minutes? And for 90 cents, plus the cost of whatever these pendants are if you buy them, or if you're recycling, no cost other than your original purchase price, we've created 3 really pretty necklaces. So just something I thought I would share with you, an easy way to upcycle. And again, these things are called necklace cords. They're made by Crafts and they cost $1.50 at the Dollarama. Now, let's take a look at some of the ones I've made so far. This is a whole collection that I've actually made using these cords. This is on a cream cord. Beautiful pendant. This was an earring. This as well was an earring. Really just simply, these would make good layering pieces too. You could add these corded pieces with silver chain. There's another cute one. That was a pendant. This was an earring. I think it goes really well with this cord. And I'll sell these, probably make, you know, a couple dollars off of them after cost. Really cute fish. Sometimes people just want simplicity, right? There is a cute, just a plain heart on this one. This one was a pendant, I believe. Got a nice tag or cat's eye there on that cream. Let me show you some of these ones, because these ones I think they're a little brighter. Okay. This one is a beautiful glass shell. So it's really pretty. I liked this one. The blue. This is just like a moonstone pendant. This was an earring. Thought the yellow and that kind of gray blue went well together. I put purple and blue together. This one, this was an earring. I loved the sparkle in it on that brown cord. And then just for fun, for the kids, a little cute. This was a cell phone charm that I actually turned into a pendant on that beautiful yellow cording. I got them all tangled up here. Hot mess. There's a pretty green one. Let's look at that one if we can separate it. It's the extenders are all caught up on each other. Oh, how did that happen? Okay, so this was pretty too. This is pretty. This is like a green. Let's look at the red one. The red one I think is really nice. It's just a really standalone feather. This was part of an earring on that nice red cording. It's a resin-filled teardrop pendant on the yellow. This one I thought was cute too. Oh, it just came off because I opened it. This is a little person with some pretty red rhinestones and a big blingy head. Thought that was fun on the black. I would have preferred that, you know, it wasn't a multicolor package. This was an earring. I changed it into just a pendant. I made these. I wire wrapped these and added them all on at once. So giving kind of like a multiple charm look. And I stacked abalone earrings. So I stacked those on there. So you can add more than one pendant if you'd like. And just this one I really like. This is like an artisan piece. I put it on a cream colored cord. Thought this was really cute. And then the last couple, another abalone. This was an earring. Actually, this was an earring, and it was a hook earring, and I bent it to turn it into a pendant. I just couldn't part with it. It was so pretty. This also was an earring. So I'm going to sell these. They're going to be on a special rack. They're going to be labeled as recycled jewelry. This is pretty too. And we'll see how they do. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you how easy it is to turn something that's broken into something really beautiful. Here's more that I made. Here's more that I made. There's some more. And here's some more. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you can get your hands on some of these and some jump rings, I recommend it if you have single earrings and you're looking to do something with them because you just love them so much that you just didn't want to throw them away. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and until next time, take care of yourselves.